Hindi biro ang pagkakagawa ng kakaibang float na ito ng Tugo para sa Sinulog 2016. Alamin natin how it was made and the people behind it.
Start tong idea ito, parang hindi ko ma-imagine na mangyayari dahil they want to have a concept na kasi every year nagpapagawa raw si Tugo ng float. So maganda naman yung nagagawa nila pero they want something na will last long at saka magkaroon sila ng branding or maalala sila ng tao because of that. So well, ang ganda ng discussion namin. They asked me kung how long. Sabi ko, we usually do the project around 2 to 3 months. Nagulat sila. Sabi nila, hindi yan yung ina-expect namin. Sabi ko, bakit? Kailan nyo ba ina-expect? Nag-meeting kami ng December 12 and they told me na parang kailangan raw nila sa Sinulog, which is January 15. Sabi ko, from now, nag-uusap tayo, halos isang buwan na lang na naiiwan. So, to cut the story short, parang munti ko nang ayawan yung project, pero at the back of my mind, it's a challenge. Dahil parang never pa ako nakagawa ng float. I talked to my team na parang kung tinanggap natin to, ito yung mga sacrifice natin. Are you okay guys kung sakaling gawin natin? Nung umuha sa akin mga boys ko, that's the only time I call back. Okay, we're going to do that. We closed the deal December 18. Ang challenge sa akin dito, if I can finish this one. Yung feeling na nasa abroad ka, pero nakatingin ka lagi sa CCTV mo sa cellphone kung gumagawa ba o hindi. Well, baga by God's grace talaga na parang nabuo namin to. Kasi yung nasa amin yung chassis, hindi nga namin alam paano umpisahan. Pressured kami sa time, pressured kami sa paano engineering structural namin dahil first time lahat. So, nag-work yung team namin hanggat sa nabuo namin yung exact na drawing na pinakita namin kila Stephen. Ngayon, nung pagdating nag-visit sila, happy naman ako na nakita nilang lumabas yung nasa mind nila. Ang target nila is to make a balcony na shape na boat, tapos yung ilalim daw, parang anything na. Sabi ko, teka, parang may kulang. Sabi ko, sayang yung ilalim. So, parang binago namin yung drawing. We want the bottom part to be a parang lobby, which we decided gumawa ng parang VIP lounge sa ilalim. So, excited kami doon dahil parang nadagdagan ko ng new ideas or add-on doon sa pinagawa nila kaysa regular struck lang na anything na yung ilalim, basta lang may boat. It opened a new door for Ate Customs kasi if you say Ate Customs, our tagline is you imagine, we create. Anything na maisip ng isang client, we will tell them lang naman kung feasible or not feasible. On this case, parang it opened as a new window. So for the corporate world na parang they want to make a float like this na actual na, feasible pala. I'm so happy na this project is a win-win situation. Napasikat niyo ako at nagawa ko rin yung gusto ninyo. So parang sabi ko, I'm so excited with this project. Sabi ko nga, after Sinulog, if you want to improve more, improve natin. Pero my goal right now is umabot siya sa Sinulog. My job is my passion. So parang I'm really happy and glad na nabigyan ako ng parang ngayon ko lang nung tumagal, na-realize ko lang it's a gift from God, yung talent na yun. So parang I'm maximizing right now kung ano yung pwede kong gawin. At the same time, yung project kasi pag sa mong Atoy, every project we do, merong special part in our heart. Sa market, bakit lagi nauuna lagi sila Atoy? Bakit nila naiisip at hindi naiisip ng iba? I think I would say, in this area na trabaho natin, parang nakita ko lang yung passion namin, talagang binigay namin 100%. We don't want to be good, we want to be the best. At the end of the day, parang nag-enjoy ako sa trabaho ko because my trabaho is my passion. And then, mas natutuwa ako pag yung client namin, every time we deliver something na they're very happy, na parang ang sarap-sarap ng feeling mo na napasaya mo yung isang tao.